guys, it is your girl Delshia, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you all how I blow out my roots so I can get my fro a lot bigger and way more fuller. Also, this is about a 2.5-week-old twist out that I actually did. It may have been 3 weeks now. Actually, let me check. I did this on September 17th. So today is actually October 6th. So let's see, it's 1, 2, 3. So that's almost about a 3-week-old hairstyle. So I've just really been trying to rock this for as long as I possibly can. I actually kept the 2-strand twist in for about a week and a half. 2 weeks, and then I took them out, just wore them just straight twist out style. And then once that starts getting a little too old, then I separate them, and then I have this super bomb fro that has a bunch of definition, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous, as you guys can see. So yeah, so I absolutely love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. The finished product. As I showed you guys previously, that was my hair more in the shrunken state, and I just wanted to elongate the curls just a little bit more. And really, you don't have to be defined with it. You're just taking a blow dryer and you're just gonna put it to your roots just to stretch those roots out. And blow dryer heat is completely fine. We're not raking through our hair or anything crazy, so it is absolutely safe to do this method. But you want to make sure that your blow dryer is on medium, not on high. You want to make sure that it's on medium heat. Trust me, medium heat is all that you need. And yeah, so that's pretty much that. Absolutely love it. I may play with it a little bit more to try to get these back curls a little bit longer, because it's like a lot of shrinkage going on back here. But overall, my fro definitely looks a lot bigger. and it just looks a lot more full. So I think for now on, I'm just gonna continue doing it this way instead of just taking it out of my 2-strand twist, just kind of going with it. Definitely like the big fro look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, as well as subscribe for this super bomb natural hair journey and everything else that I have to come in the near future. So I'm super excited about that. Hair is getting out of my face. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video. Peace and love.